Welcome back to our third installment of the 742 Carbine restoration. Today we will be polishing the remainder of the parts and putting them all in the balloon tank. Alright, here's all of our parts ready to be degreased and to go into the balloon tank. Okay, all of our parts are hung and clean. It's amazing how many parts are in a 742, huh? Our balloon tanks are warming up. Quick overview again. Cold water rinse tank, hot water tank for warming up your parts after they're blued, before they go into the water displacing oil, and the caustic acid bed. In the Mini 14 video on bluing, we went over this a little more in depth, so I'm not going to go over it again. Please go back and check out the Part 2 Mini 14 video. And what I'll do is I'll set this up on time lapse so you can watch it from afar. Just want to take a second now, since we're in the cold water, and we can take a look at it and handle it. That's from my finger. So it's not, you can't tell a whole lot other than they are black. These are now, I put a heavy coat of rig on them so it melts into the finish, and you can get an idea. Everything coated very well. I didn't see any issues with oil contamination or whatnot. I think we'll be very pleased with it when we get it all back together.